Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo app. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Complete Your Profile button. And then tap on the plus icon which is under your photos. Among the four options, tap any one of them. Then choose the photo that you would like to add. You can move and zoom the photo. If you want to set this picture as your profile picture, enable Set as Profile Picture option. Once you are done, tap on the yellow button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add photo on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.